Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Devadrita and you are watching Devadrita Beauty. So it's been long that I am doing a talk through video. So today's video is going to be a talk through video as well as a DIY video. So basically I am shifted to my hometown. It's been 1 month almost and I am lacking a proper filming setup. So I thought why not to make a proper background for my videos. So I have been searching for a mesh board in the Amazon. It was priced for rupees 800 or 900 and it was too costly for me. So I thought to make it in my house on my own. So yes, in today's video I am going to share you the whole process of making this mesh board which is right behind me. So without further ado, let's get started with the making process.
So I am here to collect all the products which are necessary to make this mesh board. This is basically the storeroom and here are the papers, that is the newspapers which I will be using to make this mesh board. I think this much of newspaper will be enough for making the mesh board, and also I am going to take this carton sort of a thingy which is actually used in decorative purpose for my mesh board decoration as well. So first I'm going to take one paper like this and unfold it, and I'm going to cut it with the help of a scissor into a piece of two. As you can see, I am cutting it in the corner wise and you have to do the same. After that, take only one piece of paper and start folding it just like that I am folding, and after folding it at the end you have to glue the ends properly. First you have to roll it properly so that it can get in a stick shape, and after that I'm using the Fevicol at the ends so that it gets attached perfectly and it never opens up. It's basically very sturdy and very hard whenever you are rolling a newspaper like this, and you have to gently now round it and keep it aside for a few minutes so that it soaked the glue and dried up. So as you can see, this long stick is completely ready and we need approximately 6 sticks like this, and you have to make 6 sticks so that you can make the length of the mesh board. And after that I'll be making the shortest size sticks. So what I'm going to be doing is that I will be repeating the previous step. After that, one step will be extra. So after cutting this into one half, I'll to fold it again and I'll be cutting it in the center again so that it will be half of the previous size, and that will be basically the other side, that is the breathe side of the mesh board. Again fold it in similar ways which I have did earlier, and I'm gluing it properly so that it can be stick for a longer period of time. So we need this kind of 10 sticks, and voila, these are completely ready. So here are all the long and short sticks are ready. Now the making process is I will be using the longer stick first. So it's a very basic step, I am arranging them horizontally to create a perfect vision for my mesh board. I am giving 3-inch gap in between two sticks, and after that I'll be taking the shorter side sticks and I'll be placing them in vertically to create a perfect square, and also I'm going to attach them with the help of a glue. And you can see I'm just pointing out the glue in the longer sticks, and then I'll be placing the shorter sticks just top of it. After that I'm holding each sticks for 10 to 20 seconds so that it can properly attach to the horizontally placed sticks. And yes, you have to repeat the same process until it's completely covered. Here I am doing so, and it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to get that perfect shape. And yes, it's completely ready as you can see, and after that I am going to keep it like this almost half an hour so that it soak up the glue and become very sturdy and hard. So after half an hour I'm going to cut the edges, and first I'm going to applying the glue of the smaller edges and I'm going to fold it so that it will be secure, and repeating the same process to the entire ends of the stick. As you can see, the edges I have cut down properly to get that perfect shape. And now it's painting time. First, I am going to do a white base color. As it is made out of newspaper, it will be covering all the written up things with the help of the white base color. And after that, I will be applying some pop of color so that this color can absorb and completely see through on top of the white shade. So our base color is completely dried off and it's looking absolutely beautiful. You can use it as it is, but I'm going to apply some orange color, and it took me around 20 minutes to do the perfect orange shade and do the painting properly. You can even use spray paint if you have, as per your choice. And yes, it's completely done. You can actually keep it for half an hour so that it becomes very dry. And yes, your mesh board is ready. Now I have placed it on top of the wall, and I have just sticked it with the help of a double-sided tape. You can use it on a knot pin, or you can drill with the help of anything and like hang it on top of it. Everything is DIYed in this mesh board. To decorate it, I have used some sort of pictures of my childhood as well as my parents' picture. Also, I have used that decorative curtain which I picked up from my storeroom. This love shine is also created by me with the help of a wire. I have added some fake flowers and also added some earrings for hanging, and it's looking absolutely beautiful. And finally, I have added some fairy lights which is kept to my home from previous Diwali.
So yes, this is the whole procedure. That is how I make this mesh board just right here, and it was costed me only 0 rupees because it's made out of like newspaper, and it's so eco-friendly and it is so sturdy. You just need a proper pinhole too so that you can hang it up on your wall. It's very easy. You can decorate it as per your choice. You don't have to like spend 900 bucks for a particular mesh board. So you can definitely try it out at your home. If you make it, don't forget to tag me in my Instagram. My Insta handle is just right below in the description box, which is Devadrita Beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this video is really helpful for you. If you guys like this, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell button beside the subscribe button for more beauty and lifestyle related content. And I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Until next time, bye. Take care. Stay happy.